SuperVIG Vacuum Glass, the rising star of green buildings. SuperVIG Vacuum Glass combines beauty and functionality. A no-vent design reduces leakage risk, and tempered stress ensures stability for easy transport and installation. Adopting eco-friendly, lead-free solder and dual sealing on edge of the two pieces of glass ensure an ultra-low vacuum leak rate of less than or equal to 10 to the minus 11 millibar liters per second. Built-in high-efficiency getters aim for a 25-year lifespan. With noise reduction over 36 decibels and thermal transmittance as low as 0.45 watts per square meter per Kelvin, it offers insulation comparable to a 1,200 millimeter wall, comfortable and energy-saving in one step. SuperVIG, supporting ultra-low energy buildings for a low-carbon future.